My name is Matjaz Homan. I'm pediatric gastroenterologist and hepatologist from Ljubljana, from Slovenia. I'm a member of gastrointestinal committee of ESPGHAN, and I'm a secretary of endoscopy special interest group of ESPGHAN. And I would like you to invite to our annual ESPGHAN Congress in Vienna this year. Among other interesting and inspiring scientific events in Vienna, there will be also a traditional hands-on endoscopy training in the endoscopy learning zone. For the second time, live endoscopy session will be held, and very interesting endoscopic cases will be transmitted from endoscopy suites from Rome and from Sheffield to the Congress Hall. And for the first time ever, a joint scientific symposia between ESPGHAN and ESGE, a European Society of Gastrointestinal Endoscopy, will be held, where pediatric and adult endoscopists will discuss and debate about the latest advances in endoscopy. So, see you in Vienna soon.